Let's check on the baby. Hello. What are you doing? Oh my goodness, you look like a little snow leopard. Look who finally decided to open his eyes. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, we just got home. Hi guys. Welcome. Come on, mommy. Hi, sweet girl. Oh my god, look at these freaking babies. Okay, Mama, let's get all your babies out here. Come here. Okay. Oh my gosh, I've never seen cats with this coloring. Good girl. Oh my god. Y'all, she's like a skeleton. We gotta get some food in you, girl. Come here, baby. There we go. What do you think, Mama? Her name is Olivia, by the way. Well, I can't even describe how skinny this cat is. This is insane. Look. This one. Mommy's getting some water. All the food you want, girlfriend. Hello? Did you move everyone out of the box? You silly girl. This is why I put this little fence up every time, even when the babies can't walk, because you never know. We're back and cozy in the box. I wanted to move her back in here because I was about to do some laundry and stuff in here, and I just don't want it to be too loud and scary for her. Look whose eyes are open this morning. Oh. We got some more eyes about to open over here too. Look at that. Big girl. Oh my gosh, look at those toe beans. And the big belly. Oh, we have an escapee from the box. Come here. You got a few more weeks till we can have that food, okay?